Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has ordered a thorough investigation to determine the cause of death of a newborn at the Cornwall Regional Hospital on April 3. An autopsy is scheduled for April 28. Dr. Tufton stated that once the investigation is complete, appropriate action will be taken if there is any sign of wrongdoing.
I think it's important that while it is a very tragic situation and we must show full support to the mother and family, and that has been offered, we also be careful to manage the accuracy of the information to ensure that whatever has transpired, wherever there needs to be accountability, there is, transparency there is, lessons learned there should be, but we do not apportion blame if the evidence does not support the blame being pointed in any direction.
The child's mother, Shandell Ballantyne, has taken to social media to launch a crowdfunding campaign to help cover her son's funeral expenses. Dr. Tufton says the hospital will continue to provide counseling support.